So I'm out in the world again today, trying another vlog. Today is a freestyle type of vlog where the vlog I made yesterday was more of a scripted, bullet pointed vlog that I was pulling points from, talking points to make sure I was able to create a beginning, middle, and end to the entire process of making the vlog. Although yesterday I talked about maybe not recording or maybe not shooting videos on days where I have shoots because it's just not enough time. I'm usually running short on time due to complications that frequently come up on shoots, which causes me to constantly troubleshoot. And now as I'm thinking about it, I think the best approach to making these videos would be on days where I have multiple shoots, maybe about 4 shoots, then I would vlog and I guess talk about my steps of how I troubleshoot when there's days where I have more than 3 shoots. Today I just have 1 shoot. Due to it being winter, the real estate season has slowed down, but I'm still getting orders, just not as frequent. So I'll put it on the schedule to make a video where I have more than 1 shoot, but that'll be sometime in March or April once the orders start to pick up again. But yeah, so I am going to head out to this job. It's about an hour drive. I did not bring the GoPro today and I had this extra camera in the bag, so I pulled it out and now I'm making this vlog. So this should be a fun day. Okay, so I'm back now. I am done with the jobs. I was stuck in Berwyn for a little bit. A metro train was passing as I was leaving and it stayed there for a while, so I kind of just took a detour and now I'm home. Today wasn't that bad, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.